Okay, now we're going to finish up this rational exponent section. I moved in a little bit closer so you could actually see that this is a negative right here. Definition: if a raised to the negative m divided by n is a non-zero real number, then a raised to the negative m divided by n is equal to 1 over a to the m over n. All the rules for our exponents that we had before work for the rational exponents as well. So the first thing I need to do with these problems, write each expression first with a positive rational exponent, simplify if possible. So this is 1 over 100 to the 1/2. That means the same thing as square root of 100. So my answer to this one would be 1 over 10. Negative exponent, get the reciprocal. That would be 1 over 64 raised to the 1/3. That is the cube root of 64. Cube root of 64, what number times itself? It's not 2, not 3, try 4. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 would give me 64, so that is 1/4. This one, get the reciprocal. So that is 5th root of 32 raised to the 4th. 5th root of 32, we have seen that. That would be 1 over 2 to the 4th. So my answer on this one would be 1 over 16. A few more. Use the laws of exponents to simplify each expression. Write answers in exponential form with positive exponents only. Assume all variables represent positive real numbers. So in this one, when I have a base raised to a power times same base raised to a power, I keep base and I add exponents. So if I'm doing this by hand, my common denominator would be 20. That would be a 5 there, 4 there. So that would be x to the 9 over 20. It is positive, so I'm going to leave it as is. This one, a base raised to a power divided by same base raised to a power, I subtract. Now by definition, it's top exponent minus bottom exponent. So that would be x to the negative 1/2. But it did say to write positive exponents only. So that would be 1 over x to the 1/2. The last one, and we're using all 3 rules here. Well, this is my product rule, quotient rule, this is my power rule. So I need to multiply here. I can simplify the fractions. So I end up with x to the 1 over 10. So again, all the rules that we had prior to this work for fractional exponents as well. So that's it. Thank you.